Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 3 of exercise 5.4 given in page number 104. I am up and down, round and round. Question is solve the previous question using Baudhāyana Pythagoras theorem. See, question number 2, that is the previous question before 3, where we have come across that uh, chord distance from center, if they are equal in length, if it is equal in length, then chord length is also equal. That is what the theorem is in the previous question. Now this time they are saying that by using Baudhāyana Pythagoras theorem, we have to prove this question. So for that we need to draw a circle first, and such type of arrangement is required. A circle, and this time I have drawn a center of circle having center named as C, and we have to draw two chords. Here it is chord AB, and here it is chord GF. Now these two chords are joined to the center of circle through point A and B and through point G and F. CB is the radius of circle and GC is the radius of circle. I am considering this chord distance from the center as x in both the triangles x, and E is the midpoint of AB and H is the midpoint of GF. Here it is a perpendicular bisector making as angle 90 degree. So as per this question, we need to prove that chord lengths are of equal. So to show that, what is the statement? To show, we have to show that AB is equal to GF. This is what we have to show. So let's solve this one. And what are the things which are given already? If I consider that here CH is perpendicular to GF and CE is perpendicular to AB, and CE, the distance from the midpoint to the center on the chord, to the center on the chord, that is CE, is equal to CH. So these are the things which are given. Now I am considering to prove in triangle CEB. So just locate CEB, where is CEB, means this triangle is there, CEB, where this here CB is the radius and C have I considered as x. Now it will be x square plus BE square equal to r square by Baudhāyana theorem. Then BE square is equal to r square minus r square minus x square. Now in triangle CHG, so we can have CHG, I have r square equal to GH square plus x square. So it will be GH square equal to r square minus x square. So here in both the cases r square minus x square, so I can have the comparison, they will get cancelled out and remaining will be gh square is equal to be square. So with the reference of this I can say that gh is equal to be, gh is equal to be, here we have got, so gh, where is gh? Gh is the half length of gf, so gh is half length of gf and be is the half length of ab, half length of ab. If I cancel these two halves, the result is what, that gf is equal to ab. So that is what we need to prove here in this question, that is specially proved by Baudhāyana Pythagoras theorem. So this is how we have to solve these questions. Hopefully you will able to understand about it.